Welcome to Programmer Bytes. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about methods with an example program. Method. A method is a block of logical statements. Methods can take n number of arguments as input and may return a single output. Method is used for modularization. We can write a set of logical statements inside a method that needs to be executed in our application in multiple places. Wherever needed, we can call the method by passing the required arguments as input. Java method is a block of statements that starts with open curly brace and ends with close curly brace. All inputs are declared in method signature within brackets. Output is returned with return statement. Note: all statements in Java ends with semicolon, which represents the end of statement. Method syntax. Method syntax starts with access modifier, return type, method name, and in bracket the input arguments, input1 data type space input1 argument name, and it goes on. Method starts with open curly brace and ends with close curly brace. A list of logical statements, and the end of the method should be a return statement if the return type is not void. This return statement returns the output. Example: a simple method that has logic to add two integer numbers. Here, public is the access modifier, int is the return type of this method, add is the method name. This method takes two integer values as input, a and b. The first statement of this method is addition of the two input integer values, and the result is stored in a variable called c, which is of type int. This method returns the c, which is of type int, that is the addition of a and b. Method invocation syntax. Method name and in brackets the input variables or the values. Example: a simple method call that passes two integer variable and gets an integer value as output. Int a equal to 10. A is a variable of type int. Here we are assigning the value 10 to variable a. We are assigning the value 10 to variable b, which is of type int. We are calling the add method by passing these two variables a and b, that is 10, 10. The output of this method call or method invocation should be 20. We are calling this method inside system.out.println as we want to print the output in the console. This statement prints 20 in the console. Let's take a look into the example program. Methods is a class which has few methods that takes different types of arguments as input and return different types of output. Add int is a method which takes two integer numbers as input and add those two integer numbers, and the result is stored in a variable called c, which is of type int. This method returns the addition of two integer numbers as output. So we declared the return type of this method as int. Similarly, add double method that takes two double numbers as input. Double numbers are numbers with decimal, and the addition of two double numbers will be returned as output. So we declared the return type as double. Add string takes two strings as inputs and returns the concatenation of two strings as output. Note: the operator plus is used for concatenation if the operands are string, and it is used for addition if the operands are integers or doubles. Methods has one more method called print string, which takes a single string argument as input and prints it in the console. This method returns nothing, so we declared the return type as void. We invoked all these methods inside the main method as compiler starts from the main method. Calling add int by passing two integer values 10, 20 returns the addition of two inputs, that is 30. We are calling add int inside system.out.println as we are going to print the result in the console. Similarly, we are invoking add double by passing two decimal values as input 10.32 and 20.22. This returns 30.54 as output, which will be printed in the console. Similarly, we are invoking add string by passing two string values well and come as inputs, which returns the concatenation of inputs, that is welcome, and this will be printed in the console. We simply called the method print string by passing a single string value as input. This method is going to print the input in the console. We no need to invoke this method inside system.out.println as this method returns nothing. It just prints the input string in the console. Note, all these methods are declared as static because we cannot call non-static method directly from a static method. We are calling all these methods from main method, which is declared as static. So we declared all other methods in this class as static. We will discuss about static in our upcoming tutorials. Let's run the program to see the output. Addition of two integers 10 and 20 is 30. Addition of two float numbers 10, 32 and 20, 22 is 30, 54. Concatenation of two strings well and come is welcome. And this method prints welcome to programmer bytes in the console. Thank you.